Guys, if you are facing this issue while resetting your PC, then I am here to solve this issue. First of all, click on the source menu, type cmd, right click and run as administrator. Ask for the permission, then type here reagentc / and enable. And hit enter and exit. Then restart your computer and try to resetting your PC. If not fix the problem, then the second method is that type here create a recovery drive. Let's click that. And for this you need one USB flash drive or external drive. Click yes. Then click this backup system file to recovery drive. Click next. Most need flash drive or hard drive to backup. Okay. Files from your drive.